tacos, mariachis, and dancing too. We'll climb the pyramid so high, see the butterflies flying by, splashing the waves, feel the breeze, say hola to the palm trees. Viva, Viva Mexico, so much magic, don't you know? From the mountains to the sea, it's the place I wanna be. Viva, Viva Mexico, colors everywhere we go, music, laughter, food so sweet, Mexico can't be beat. Let's try some churros, warm and sweet, or spicy salsa, what a treat. Piñatas bursting in the air, fiestas happen everywhere. We'll see the jaguars in the trees, feel the warm Caribbean breeze, sing along and dance all day with a big ol' ole ole.